Greeting from World Chefs. I'm 𝗪𝗵𝗲𝗧𝗪, Continental Director for Asia and Chairman of World Chefs Without Borders World Chefs. I would like to extend my congrats with best wishes to Chef Association of Pakistan, which is also World Chef National Member, for organizing the 5th Pakistan International Culinary Championship PICC from 13 to 16 March 2023 at Royal Palm Golf and Country Club, Lahore, Pakistan. I would like to extend my sincere invitation to all chefs attending this PICC 2023 and don't get left behind.